Good morning, dear students. I will take revision from chapter 3, Other Uses of Plants. And now I am taking revision from all chapters what I taught, and I will take revision. Now I will take revision from chapter 3, Other Uses of Plants. Other uses of plants. Plants are the cheap source of food for us. We know that many things we are getting from the plants, and plants are the for cheap source of food for us, and it is useful for us, and we get many things from the plants. We know that we get many things from the plants, and that are used for several purposes. Let us read about these things. First one, we get wood from plants. Wood is the most useful material we get from plants. Wood is the most useful material we get from plants, and it is used for making furniture, doors, windows. It is used for making furniture, doors, windows, sports, goods, and many other things. And such wood is called timber. Example, teak, deodar, shisham, and walnut are some timber giving trees. And firewood from plants is used as fuel. What we are getting from the firewood from plants is used as fuel, and dead leaves are used as manure. We get wood from plants, and then we used for many purposes. We are making windows, furniture, and different things we are making from wood. And second one is the we get medicines from plants. Plants like neem, tulsi, mint, ginger, turmeric, and cinchona gives us medicines. And quinine is obtained from the bark of cinchona plant. And it is medicine used for malaria. And leaves of neem tree are used to wash wounds and boils. And leaves of the tulsi plants are used to treat fevers, cough, etc. Many other herbs are also used to treat different diseases. So we can say that we get medicines from different plants, and some plants are very useful, some plants used as medicines. Just I told you in this topic. Now we get fibers from some plants. Some plants like cotton and jute gives us fibers, and cotton plant is spun and made into cloth. Flax and jute fibers are used for making ropes. Strings, and gunny bags. Fiber from coconuts called coir is used to make carpets, mats, strings, and ropes. Cotton plant, cotton shirts, jute plant, jute fiber, rope, bag, coconut tree, coir, mat, rope. And we get paper, gums, and rubber from plants. We get paper from bamboo tree. We know that we get paper from bamboo tree and pulp of many trees. Paper used to make notebooks. Books, diaries, etc. And we get gum from kikar tree. Gum is used to make glue. And sap of the rubber tree is made into rubber. And rubber is used to make tires, pipes, etc. And we prepare perfumes from some plants. Just sweet smelling flowers of plants are used to prepare perfumes, and some common perfumes are rose, jasmine, lavender, etc. And We prepare extracts of plants for various purposes. Extracts of flowers and roots of some plants are taken out. Rose water and Cura are two extracts. And some plants are used as headers. Thorny plants are used to make fences around crop fields. And evergreen plants like boxwood and holly are used to make hedges around lawn and parks. And some other uses of plants. Many plants are used as fodder for cattle. We know that many plants are used as fodder for cattle, and juices and oils of certain plants are used to make soaps, shampoos and toothpaste. Plants purify the air. Plants purify the air that we breathe. That is why we grow plants near our homes. That is why we grow plants near our homes. We grow many plants for their beauty. We grow many plants for their beauty. And trees are homes for many birds and animals. And flowers are used for decoration. Bouquet and garlands are made from flower. So in this chapter we seen that plants are very useful for us, and it provide us food and different food items, and it is used for medicines, and it is many uses of plants. And if plant is not there, then we will not get the food, and different items also we will not get. So it is very difficult to survive. And we have learned in this chapter plants are useful to us in many ways, and we get wood, medicines, fibers, paper, gum, rubber and perfumes from plants. And plants make the air fresh and clean. Plants make the air fresh and clean. And bamboo is a kind of grass. Bamboo is a kind of grass, and the more paper is wasted, the more trees are cut. The more paper is wasted, the more trees are cut. Fill in the blanks. Wood used to make furniture, doors, windows, etc. is called timber. Wood used to make furniture, doors, windows, etc. is called timber. Many plants gives us medicines to treat diseases. Many plants gives us medicines to treat diseases. And fibers from coconuts is also called coir. Fibers from coconut is also called coir. And bamboo trees are used to make paper. Bamboo trees are used to make paper, and plants are used as fodder for cattle. Now come to the tick the correct word. Cinchona is a medicinal plant. Second one, from cotton plant we get fiber. From cotton plant we get fiber. We get gum from kikar plant. We get gum from kikar plant. We get timber from teak tree. We get timber from teak tree. Sweet smelling flowers are used to make perfumes. Sweet smelling flowers are used to make perfumes. Give one use of each of the following. Give one use of each of the following. Jute, it is used for making ropes, strings, gunny bags. Rubber, rubber is used for making tires, pipes. Coir, are used for making carpets, ropes, string, mats. Here asking only one use, but I am telling 2, 3 extra. Timber, it is used for making furniture, doors, window, etc. Bamboo, it is used for making paper. Now come to the match the following. Medicines, neem and tulsi. We are getting medicines from neem and tulsi. Perfumes, rose and lavender. Manure, dead leaves. Paper, bamboo tree. Cloth, cotton fiber. Name 5 things other than food we get from plants. Medicines, perfumes, paper, gums, rubber, fibers, except the food. And second question is the name 5 things in your house that are made of wood. Table, chair, doors, window, bat. how are trees useful for animals? Many how trees are useful for animals. Trees are homes for many birds and animals. Trees are homes for many birds and animals. And trees are homes for many birds and animals. And name two flowers which are used to make perfume. Name two flowers which are used to make perfumes. That is the rose and jasmine. Rose and jasmine. Why do we grow plants near our houses? We grow plants near our houses because plants purify the air that we breathe. Plants purify the air that we breathe. That's why we are growing plants near our homes. So this is the revision of chapter 3.